Hello everybody! So today I'm going to do another funnel pour, and I'm using the same colors that I used the last time. I'm kind of addicted to that volcano look. And so what you see in the center is gold. I used a lot of gold on this one. And then I just did kind of what I would say is like a traveling ring pour. And look, you can see the gold cells just popping up through there. And that is the magic of the 24 karat DecoArt paint and the funnel pour, which it seems, you know, like I said, that before, the gravity kind of it shoots the paint down onto the canvas in with some kind of a force. So this painting was fun because I wanted to do a companion piece for the one I did earlier this week, which was the one that kind of looked like wheat, and it had the stems of high flow copper and gold that I had embellished. And I really wanted to do another piece that was like it, just to see where I could take it and see what would happen. So that's what this painting is. I don't have a lot to say, really. I'm gonna let you watch. I might pop in and make a comment here or there, but for the most part, this is just a repeat of that last painting. I really love the last painting so much that I almost was skeptical to share this one because it's, in my opinion, not quite the same. It's not quite as good, but there is special parts about this painting as well. So I decided, okay, someone, I think, you know, a commenter had asked me to please, you know, share this one, so I said I would. I want to take a second and say thank you so much to Christine K for support to my channel, and it really is so heartfelt and it means so much to me. Anyone who supports my channel, it's really, I don't take it for granted, and I really appreciate deeply the support, love. Thank you for watching, commenting, subscribing, hit the like and the notification bell if you want to know when I upload a new video. Also, stay tuned to heathermaderart because I have some really cool collabs coming up, and the next one I believe that will be coming to fruition is the one I have with Mixed Media Girl. So that's pretty cool. So thank you so much for watching and enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.